Hi folks, welcome to another video. This is going to be another vlog style video. Like I said in the last one, it's a new thing for me, but you seem to like it. I've got a couple of decent comments already and some likes. Video's only been up about 12 hours, so I thought fuck it, I'll do another one. If you don't like it, don't watch. Simple as that. This one's going to be another quick one. I'm going to do a quick tour of the workshop. The current workshop. Which I've got to get out of. It's not something I've really shown before. I've always stuck to sort of just showing what I'm doing rather than the surroundings. But I figure I'll just give you a quick tour. The place is a shithole at the minute because I am moving, but you get the idea of what I'm doing. So there we go. I've got a bag of tools here because I had to do some work on my cousin's car the other day. My little welder. These are the cameras that I normally use, DSLR and then a little GoPro, obviously a grinder. Many clamps on the floor of the Escort, there she is. This side's pretty much done. I've got to finish it off, but I'm more sort of worried about getting out of here and stuff. More clamps. You can never have enough clamps. It's my little shrink stretcher. Put a little piece of metal in there, so if I walk past and just hit the pedal accidentally, I'm not going to smash my jaws up. There's my folder. This I got this off my old man. A mate of his made it like donkeys years ago, and then it sat in his garden. I cleaned it all up. I've tried to sort of put a nice edge on that, but I might send that off and then get that ground properly. It does its job for what I need to do. Just shit and crap everywhere. I don't know whether you sort of ever realise, but this is an old spray booth. I've put all the string lights up that I managed to acquire. Some of them fallen off. I used sort of double-sided tape, and some of them have fallen off and hanging around. I was going to do it all properly, but it's pointless now. Some are screwed, some stuck. But yeah, there's my tools. This whole toolbox here is just for clamps, literally just clamps. Oh, and then I've got like my measuring shit. That should have like long nose mole grips. I did end up writing everything on here. I don't like to graffiti my toolboxes, but my partner kept putting shit in the wrong places, so I wrote on my drawers. Actually looks like I've got all of my clamps out. You've got my magnets. These are amazing. Buy some of these. Right, you got these. Swarf gets stuck to these. I gave Arco some advice the other day. Outlaw Edge, go check him out. About to get this off, you use airline and just blow them off, but it still gets it. But these are amazing. Look. Literally, there we go. Just a switch, tiny little magnet like that. Absolutely amazing. Buy some. They're expensive, but they're amazing. And I've got broken clamp, G clamp, C clamps, the shit drawer, just shit and crap. Yeah, I'm not even going to get into that. I'll do that as a separate video. I'll do a toolbox tour. So, but yeah, this is the outside bit. It's an old farm building. I've got a little solar panel there for charging my batteries up, because at one point the person that I was subletting off of kept turning the power off, and I had to have my CCTV up. You can see me camera, one of my cameras there. Yeah, there's not much security. People like coming straight over the door, like walking along the wall and stuff. So, I'll put cameras up. Got another camera up there as well. But yeah, this is pretty much it. It's, as I said, it's a shithole at the minute because I'm moving. But I mean, there's still some red escort there. Yeah, that's where it was. Figure, look, that's the actual booth. Some shit and crap up there. It's a little staircase. I did have everything organised and stored up here. It's a bit of a state in a minute. Sorry about the lighting. There's no lights up here at all. But I did have like racking, like loads of racking. Everything was organised. You can see a lot of boxes. You can't see shit. But yeah, no, I had it all organised, and you know, there's some more shit there that I've got to get out. So yeah. Yeah, I didn't have a lot of space, but it was enough for me to do what I needed to do. Yeah, so I am looking for another place. If anybody knows of anything, drop me a comment, drop me an email, drop me a message, whatever, because I need somewhere pretty quick. I mean, today is Saturday. Today's Saturday. I've got to be out tomorrow. Yeah, all of like upstairs and then the bench and stuff out there has got to be moved tomorrow, and then I've got another 2 weeks to get this done. I don't know whether I'm going to get that done in time, and there's still a lot of panel work, there's a lot of welding, but the owner of it has said, the thing is, the owner of this is a mate of the bloke that I was subletting off of, so that's why I've got the extra 2 weeks, a little bit of leeway. So yeah, I'm going to do what I can, but he's already said to me, you know, I can finish it off there. So videos will keep coming on it. I will get it finished, and it'll be nice. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I thought I'd just give you a quick tour of the shithole that I've been working in, and I hope you like it. Please subscribe to the channel. You know, everything helps out. When you do subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you're informed of all my little videos. Follow me on social media. All the links will be in the description box and at the end titles. You know, you can drop me a message, leave a comment, even just to say hi, like I said before. You know, but that's pretty much it. I'll catch you later. Bye.